Hello friends, in the previous video we saw how we can define a new material, and in this video we will see how we can access the already defined material in Staad Pro. Staad Pro has got a library of thousands of materials, and in this video we will see how we can access that database. This example is the column of the previous video, and you can just open that file, and if you have already opened it, let us move on. Go to General tab here, and after that we are at the Property sub tab, I will say, and from here choose the Section Database option. Left click on it. Here you can see steel database. You can see the cold form steel database, timber database, and the aluminum database. Suppose that I want to make this column as a channel section. For that I have to go to steel, so I want to use the steel channel section. I will use the Indian sections. Okay, you can choose any other sections that is followed in your country. I will select the Indian sections. I want the channel section, so I will select the channel, and let us suppose I want to use ISMC 100 and click on add. After that click on close. You can see that ISMC 100 steel section have been defined. Now I'll select this column, select this, and I'll just hit delete and click on OK. I don't want to delete the nodes, so I'll click on no. The node doesn't appear here. Okay, and now I want to draw a beam. Click on this, add beam. The node appears. That is the magic. Okay, now left click on this and left click here. So we defined a column. Now what we will do, we will assign this property to this column. Click on beams cursor, click on this column over here, select this option and click on assign and click on yes, and let us see the rendered view. Click on this 3D rendered view and let us zoom in. Keep on zooming using the middle mouse button, scrolling it. Over here you can see that a channel section has been added. This is how you access the library of Staad Pro. Again, go to Section Database. Let us see what else Staad Pro has hidden for us. And if we go to the timber, and let us select red oak, and here the size has been given. I'll just select this one and click on add. You can see it has been added. Now if I just assign to it, click on assign, every other thing has been selected, and click on yes. And if I just render this view, 3D rendered view, you can see the section. Okay, now let us try to apply the load here in this column and check if we got any load remaining. Click on load and definition. We don't have any defined load. Oh yeah, we got the load. We don't have the self weight. Click on the self weight and click on assign to view and click on assign and click on yes. So we got the load. Now click on analyze, run analysis. One error again. Click on done. Click on error material. Material has not been provided yet. Material type has not been provided yet. Strength command must follow type command in material definition block. Okay, it says that we have defined the section but we haven't defined the material. Click on material and select this option. Yeah, it says and click on edit. All the properties are here. Yes, we have defined this, but again I'm not aware what this error is. I will try to figure it out. This is how you get the database of Staad Pro.